My name's Nicola Holmes. I am an academic mentor at the University of Strathclyde. CMI and Strathclyde really align in terms of their ethos. So Strathclyde is all about being the place for useful learning, so it's that grounding it in real world application, and CMI is so much about that. It's about how can we make the best managers, how can we make the organisations as good as they can be, and that is exactly what the Graduate Apprenticeship's about.
For me, it was the dual qualifying nature of it, that you can continue to work and progress through your career, but then also leave with an academic qualification and a professional qualification. Instead of leaving with a BA Honours degree, I had all of this professional context and learning as well, which has been invaluable in my role.
Being that people manager and being that leader and managing transformation, certainly, and managing change, I think I'm much better now because I've been equipped with that learning and that skills.
We've got a fantastic relationship with CMI, so they come along to our campus days. They come along to our induction events. They guide our apprentices in terms of how they can use the resources. So there's a whole wealth of resources that CMI have provided that our students access to help them not just now, but further into their careers as well.
It's given me a sense of pride. It recognises the fact that I've went through a journey to become a leader.
It's very exciting, and I feel I've got the tools and the capabilities to move forward, which is great.